Pusheen coloring book! I've got my giant box of markers here, so let's get started! Okay, so today I'm gonna color this picture of 3 different colored Pusheens. Let's color in this Pusheen first. Let's make the inside of her mouth pink. And let's make her body light purple. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in this Pusheen. Next, let's do this one. Let's make her heart light green. And let's make her body light pink. And let's color in this last Pusheen green with a pink heart. Okay, now I'm all finished coloring in all the Pusheens. So adorable! Now let's just color in the background behind them. Let's make this little heart up here pink. And let's color in the rest of the background light blue. Okay, I'm all finished. Wow, this picture turned out so cute. I love all the different colors of the Pusheens. They are just the sweetest little cats. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm KiMMi the Clown. Hope you had fun clowning around with me today. This picture turned out kitty-tastic. Have a colorful day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye! Wow, coloring is so much fun. Like this video if you like to color too. If you enjoyed this video, then be sure to check out my last Pusheen coloring page video. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button because I post fun videos every single day. Love you guys. Bye!